Ever look across a crowded room and wonder, are they checking me out? Or maybe you're mid-conversation and you catch a certain look in their eye. You know the one, and you think, wait, is this a... Well, my friend, those aren't just random occurrences. Those are signs, little love flares shooting across the dating universe. And today we're decoding them. We're going to dive into the subtle and sometimes not so subtle signs that someone is instantly attracted to you. Because wouldn't it be nice to know if those butterflies you're feeling are a two-way street? Let's be honest, dating is hard enough. So let's unravel these mysteries together, shall we? Sign 1. Eyes are the window to the soul, and maybe a crush. You know that feeling when you lock eyes with someone across the room, and it's like the rest of the world just fades away? It's almost as if time stands still for a moment, and all you can see is them. Yeah, that's not a coincidence. Prolonged eye contact is a major indicator of attraction. It's a silent way of saying, I'm interested in you. It's like they're saying, you have my attention, without uttering a single word. The eyes can convey so much more than we often realize. And it's not just about the initial lock. It's those lingering glances, those little peeks your way when they think you're not looking. These subtle actions speak volumes. Trust me, if they're holding your gaze just a beat longer than usual, there's a reason. It's a deliberate act, a way to connect on a deeper level. Think about it. We make eye contact with people all the time, right? But there's a difference between a polite glance and a look that says, I'm interested. It's all in the intensity and duration. It's in the way their eyes light up, how they smile with their eyes, the way they seem completely captivated by you. Their eyes can reveal their true feelings. Now, I'm not saying that every time someone makes eye contact, they're ready to propose, but it's definitely a sign that they're intrigued. It's a hint that there might be something more. So the next time you're wondering if someone's feeling it, pay attention to their eyes. They might just reveal more than you think. The eyes truly are the windows to the soul. Sign 2. Playing with hair. It's not just a nervous habit. Okay, let's talk about hair for a second. It's more than just a part of our appearance. Specifically, what happens when someone starts playing with their hair while they're talking to you? It's a fascinating behavior. This isn't about a nervous hair twirl during a job interview or a stressful situation. This is different. This is a subconscious way of drawing attention to themselves, a subtle yet powerful gesture. It's like they're saying, hey, look at me, notice me. It's a silent call for attention, and it's not just twirling. It's tucking a strand behind their ear, smoothing it down, or even just brushing their fingers through it. Each action has its own meaning. It's all about drawing your attention to their appearance, making sure you notice them. They're trying to look their best, and that's a good sign, my friend. It shows they care about the impression they make. The same goes for touching their face. It's another layer of this intriguing behavior, lightly touching their cheek, their chin, or even their lips while they're talking to you. These are all significant gestures. Those are all subconscious ways of flirting. It's their way of connecting with you on a deeper level. It's like they're highlighting their features, trying to draw you in, making sure you see them in the best light possible. Sign 3. Lean in, listen up, love might be in the air. Alright, imagine this. You're in the middle of a conversation, and the person you're talking to starts leaning in closer. Now, they're not invading your personal space, but they're definitely closing the gap. What does it mean? It means they're interested. They want to hear every word you're saying. They're hanging on your every word, they're captivated by your stories, and they might even be leaning in a little closer to catch a whiff of that amazing perfume or cologne you're wearing. Think about it. We naturally gravitate towards things we like, right? So if someone is leaning in closer, it's a clear sign that they're enjoying your company. They're comfortable with you, they're interested in what you have to say, and they want to be closer to you, both physically and emotionally. Sign 4. The best sound in the world? Okay, let's be honest, not all of us are natural-born comedians. But you know what's even better than telling a great joke? Having someone laugh at your jokes, even the ones that wouldn't make it on stage. If someone is constantly giggling at your jokes, even the cheesy ones, it's a surefire sign that they're into you. And it's not just about being polite. It's about wanting to make you feel good, wanting to connect with you on a humorous level. Laughter is a powerful tool for building connections. It creates a sense of intimacy and shared joy. So if someone is laughing with you, it means they're enjoying your company and they want to keep the good vibes going. Sign 5. The ultimate sign of connection? Have you ever noticed that when you're really in sync with someone, you start to mirror each other's movements? It's almost like an invisible dance that happens naturally. It's like you're dancing without the music, moving in perfect harmony. Well, this subconscious mirroring is a major sign of attraction. It shows that you're both on the same wavelength. It's like your bodies are trying to sync up because your minds are already connected. Think about it. When we're attracted to someone, we subconsciously want to be more like them. We start to mirror their actions and behaviors. We might start talking like them, using similar phrases, or even adopting their tone of voice, or even adopting their mannerisms. It's a natural way to build a connection. It's a way of building rapport and showing that we're on the same page. This mirroring can make interactions feel more genuine and connected. So if you notice that someone is mirroring your movements, take it as a positive sign, like crossing their legs after you do, or mimicking your posture, or taking a sip of their drink at the same time as you. It's a subtle yet powerful indicator. It's a good sign that they're feeling a connection. This mirroring behavior is a beautiful way to show that you're in tune with each other. Sign 6, the art of the accidental touch. Let's be real. A well-timed touch can speak volumes. And when someone is attracted to you, they'll find any excuse to make physical contact. It might be a light touch on the arm during a conversation, a playful nudge, or even just brushing their hand against yours. These seemingly innocent touches are anything but accidental. They're a way of testing the waters, of gauging your reaction and seeing if you're receptive to their advances. It's a way of creating a physical connection without being too forward. Now, I'm not saying that every touch is a sign of love, but if someone is consistently finding excuses to touch you, it's a good sign that they're feeling something more than just friendship. Sign 7, the sweet sound of compliments. Who doesn't love a good compliment? And when someone is attracted to you, they'll be sure to let you know what they find appealing. It might be a compliment on your outfit, your smile, your sense of humor, or even your intelligence. But here's the thing about compliments. They're not just about flattery. They're a way of expressing admiration and appreciation. When someone compliments you, they're taking the time to notice something special about you. They're acknowledging your best qualities and letting you know that they see you. So if someone is showering you with compliments, it's a clear sign that they're paying attention to you. They like what they see, and they want you to know it. Sign 8, asking all the right questions. When someone is attracted to you, they're not just interested in your favorite color or what you had for breakfast. They want to know the real you. They'll ask you about your passions, your dreams, your fears, and everything in between. They're genuinely curious about your life, your experiences, and what makes you tick. They want to understand you on a deeper level. They'll listen intently to your answers, remember the details, and ask follow-up questions. They're not just making small talk. They're engaging in meaningful conversation. Sign 9, the invitation to connect. Body language speaks volumes, and when someone is attracted to you, their body language will scream, "Come closer." They'll maintain an open posture, facing you directly with their arms uncrossed. They're not closing themselves off. They're inviting you in. They'll make eye contact, smile genuinely, and their body language will be relaxed and inviting. They're comfortable in your presence, and they want you to feel the same way. Sign 10, making plans for the future. Actions speak louder than words, and when someone is attracted to you, they'll make an effort to see you again. They won't just say, "We should hang out sometime." They'll be specific. They'll suggest activities, pick a date and time, and follow through with their plans. They're not afraid to put themselves out there and make their intentions clear. They're invested in getting to know you better, and they're willing to make the effort to make it happen. So there you have it, folks. Those are just a few of the signs that someone might be instantly attracted to you. Remember, everyone expresses attraction differently, so it's important to pay attention to the subtle cues and trust your gut. If you're picking up on some of these signs, don't be afraid to take a chance and see where things go. The worst that can happen is they say no, and you're right back where you started. But the best that can happen is you find your lobster. And if you want more tips on navigating the wonderful world of relationships, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Until next time, be kind to one another, stay curious, and keep on spreading the love.